Hi, this is the unboxing video of my IC-703 HF mode transceiver. So this is HF mode, not HF bar 50 megahertz. So this is not the IC plus, this normal IC 703. Okay, let's open it now. Okay, here's the front panel. Just open it. Okay, this is the front panel. Yes, these are the pin codes. It seems like the panel LCD polarizer has some small issues. It's a color change. Okay, it is there. And here's the manual. So the manual shows two lines, HF mode, HF 50 megahertz all mode. I am having the HF mode transceiver, and here we have the box. And the box will be having we have the hand mic, couple of fuses. Now there is the accessory jack with the wire, and these are two jacks. I think this is for key, mouse key, and this must be for the headphones. So if you looked into the there is a headphone. Yeah, I think this Axom is generous enough to provide these things. And what else do we have here? And just a wire. Okay, let's go to the next one. And then we have the main set. So there's the connectors. So if I take the front panel, then it can yeah. Now that's a complete set. Yeah. So that's the IC-703, my new QRP transceiver.